Hello, I wanted to show you how to make a simple toy car like this one. The hardest part is probably just cutting a template. So I cut this a little bit larger than I needed wood. And this came from a pallet. You can see where the curve was, so that worked out perfect. And what I'm gonna do is trace it on a piece of cardboard. Cut those out. You could use cereal boxes, work really well. Notice how I'm cutting them out at the same time so they'll be the same. If you want to angle back the tail of the car, you can. That's about right. So you have two. One's gonna go on this side and one's gonna go on this side. Now we need a piece in between. If you're using corrugated cardboard, go against the corrugation so it bends really easy. See that? Next, I'm gonna put my car together and I'm just going to use masking tape and tape it like crazy. Because after this, you're gonna paint it. Force that. The good thing about the wood is you push against the wood. You could do this without the wood. Oop, a little shy there. You could use Scotch tape if you want. Go with that curve and push it in. Need a little bit more, but the reason you make it a little bit bigger is I'll show you. Now you're gonna push it out. Oops. From here, you could cut the wheels in, or I like to just cut it down a little bit. So once you make that wood mold, it's much easier. You could bang out basically kind of a car every few minutes. And then you'll paint that up, paint it, prime it, and then make it into a car, and you can have a bunch of cars.